Hello everyone, so welcome back in my YouTube channel. So today in this video we are going to study slicing. So what is slicing in Python? Slicing basically is all about extracting substring from string, and it has two syntax: string stop, and second is string start, stop, and step. So this is step, this is an optional argument, and basically it used to determine increment between the index. So this is my string operator, and indexing will start from 0 0 1 2 3 and so on from left to right, and from right to left it will start from -1 -2 -3 and so on. So this is the how we define indexing, and this is my string operator. So in this string I want to extract index number third. So I will mention string name, and then I will put index number into square bracket. So when I will execute, it's going to give me index number 3. So what is my index number 3? 0 1 2 3. My index number third is R, so it's going to give me result R. And string colon 4, so it means it will take all the substring from starting, and it will stop at the index number 3. So basically stop index, it doesn't include this number, so means it's going to give me result till third number of index, because last index it doesn't include. So it's going to give me result 0 1 2 3 OPER. And in this string, this is my start string and colon and stop. So start string, it's include this index, but and stop index, it's not include this index. So it's going to give me result up to 3 index. So it will start from 1 and it will end on third. So it's going to give me result 0 1 2 3 PER. Now start string 2, stop 7, and increment between index I want 2 increment. So I will mention in this way, and it's going to give me result this one. And if I want to reverse the string, so I will write in this way double colon -1. So it's going to reverse all the string. And in this way I want to start my index -2. So -2 index will start from from right to left. So this from right to left indexing start from -1 -2. So it's going to start from this one, from operator, and it's going to give me result with the increment of 2. So result of this will be this. So I hope it's clear to you, and thank you so much for watching me.